have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet,
Hey y'all, it's your girl She in the building. I am so glad to be back, y'all. I had to take a little time to get better. As y'all may know, it is all kind of respiratory stuff going on, flu, lots of infections and viruses and things going around. But your girl is better now. Praise God. So I missed y'all so much. I was sick for like a whole month. Yeah, I was sick for like a whole month, y'all. But she is back. Alright, let's talk a little bit about this journey, y'all. I have been on my GLP1 journey for now. This month is 18 months. Can't believe it's been 18 whole months. So let's get into what's been going on. Those of you that follow me, y'all know where we left off. I was going ahead and beginning maintenance because what? She finally reached goal. I started at 194.6 and I dropped down to like 113.4 or 113.6, something like that. And so yeah, the girl ended up losing about 81 pounds. And just FYI, your girl started on semaglutide and switched to tirzepatide after about 6 months. Okay? And it's been tirzepatide ever since. So let's get into it. So maintenance is going pretty well. But let me just say this. God forbid. But if you end up getting sick, keep in mind that you may or may not lose additional weight even though you have met goal and you're no longer trying to lose the weight. Keep in mind that is very possible. You don't be wanting to eat and stuff when you're feeling bad. You feel me? Y'all, at some point I was actually feeling like I was on my deathbed, but the good Lord kept me. And I thank you so much for your prayers and all your love. Ooh, how I love y'all. Y'all just don't know. I don't think y'all do. I truly appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. Okay? So yeah, as far as what happened was, so I was already down and I was toggling a little bit between 113 and 118 and I'm still pretty much doing the same. However, your girl continued to lose inches while being sick for that whole month. And so like, for example, these right here, they fit pretty good, but they done got a little loose. These are supposed to be kind of tight fit, a little bit snug of a fit. And then look, if you look at the legs, see how loose? So yeah. So I've been having to actually, once I realized that I lost inches, I've been pretty much wearing most of my extra smalls, my twos. The fours are getting to look a little bit big, but I'm still wearing them for right now for the time being. But, and I will definitely hold on to them, and still wear them until I can't wear them no more. Mainly two, some fours, and, extra small. Small, start off at size 14, and, plus sizes, extra large, and plus sizes, okay? So, that's a big jump, right? Yeah, baby. I still get my things from Shein. Affordable, number one. Number two, I'm able to search petites on the website. And I am not just petite. I am very petite. Like, if I was any shorter, I'd be on my way to becoming a little person or being a little person. I think I can even compete in the Little People Olympics. I think I'm right at the line, right at the finish line. So, y'all, I'm only 4'11", okay? So don't be like, ooh, a 2, child. she getting too skinny, her getting too skinny. But no, I was a 2 at my normal size, my normal weight, most of my adult life, until I began having to be placed on medications, doing these infusions, these chemotherapeutic infusions, plasmapheresis, and all these steroids I was on. That's when I started struggling with my weight, from having autoimmune disease and having those treatments. It really did a number on my body. And so, I'm very happy to say everything is going well. I'm only doing my injections twice a month, okay? And it's every other week is how I do mine, okay? Twice a month only. And I decided to drop back down from 15 milligrams to 10 milligrams because 10 milligrams I felt would be okay since I'm skipping weeks in between. And then eventually, maybe I'll be able to do every 3 weeks, but I don't want to rush it. So right now, I'm still toggling back and forth between 113 and 118, which is great for me. My normal weight before was pretty much 103 pounds to 115 pounds. I was definitely a little bit smaller, but at this big age, I am 43 years old now. So it's not about being skinny for me. I believe that looking better, you feel better. But it's not about being skinny. It's about being the weight that I need to be and becoming healthier version of myself. That is what I found to be extremely important and still do to this day. And, how y'all journey's going? So the maintenance part of this journey is definitely giving what it needs to give, I would say. What y'all think? Yeah, this also came from Shein, y'all. My grandfather was a cowboy, like a real cowboy. The majority of my family came from Louisiana. And my grandfather was the most handsome cowboy of them all, okay? He wore his belts. He wore his cowboy attire every day. He rode horses. I'm going to post a picture so y'all can see. And that's actually my father's dad. I miss him so much. He is truly missed. Gone but not forgotten. So, yeah, I take to cowgirl attire because he always drew. He was an artist too. He always drew horses, showed me how to draw and things like that. And I used to draw. I haven't been drawing for a long time, but he would draw paint, and it just was so professional and beautiful. He was very talented. And the fact that he loved horses so much, and my mom is a horse lover as well. But y'all, I had to get these gorgeous matching earrings, and that's a horse, okay? And I got this hat from Shein as well, and this little sweater. Give a little back action. It just ties in the back. Like I was saying though, being sick, I still lost inches, so y'all keep that in mind. You may not want to still do the injections. I still did mine, and I didn't really lose weight because I was given 3 bags of IV, and that actually caused me to go back up towards like 117, 118. But after about 4 or 5 days, dropped right back down. So yeah, the IV, it gives you like additional water weight. But yeah, so 10 milligrams every other week, only twice a month for maintenance. And it's going great. I'm so glad to be back with y'all. I'm still taking it easy, y'all, so don't freak out. I'm not, partying or nothing like that. I've gotten out a little bit, went out to eat, but nothing like super crazy. Y'all know I'm in Vegas, and it'd be a lot going on, but I've been kind of laying low for the most part. But yeah, your girl Chic is doing great. Y'all feel free to ask me any questions down below in the comments. You heard me? You feel me? I got y'all. So y'all, this is what I want to share. So you do what you please. Make sure you do your research. If you have not began a GLP1 journey, but you're considering it, make sure you do your research, okay? Google is definitely free, and that's what I did before beginning this journey. And I also checked out other GLP-1 creators and their journey, like what y'all be doing, okay? And yeah, that helped me, but I did not start out mixing peptides. Like that would have been too advanced, I feel, for the beginning of a journey like this. I switched to tirzepatide after 6 months from semaglutide, and that's when I started mixing peptides and getting my peptides from AC Peptides, okay? So I would not recommend that newbies begin with having to mix peptides. That is very frustrating, overwhelming to be trying to do and figure out your journey at the same time. That's why I don't recommend it. Some of y'all have hopped into it and gotten the hang of it, but I'm just glad I didn't personally go that route. That was just not the route for me. But yeah, y'all, keep your head up, y'all. Do positive things for one another. There's so much going on in our country, in the U.S., as of this whole political stuff going on. Y'all be careful out there, mis amores. Especially the ice cream looking trucks. Be careful, okay? That's what I have to say about that. I won't get too much into that right now for this video, but y'all stay safe. Your girl loves you. Lay low if you need to. Do what you gotta do for you and your families, okay? Don't forget to show this video some love. How I love y'all, like that. And also, please subscribe and join the tribe. I gotta have you in my life. You feel me? I need y'all. So you definitely do that. Follow me on social media. I don't know what's going on, y'all, with the TikTok, but I'm still on there as of now. So I'm just not getting back to posting and stuff though, y'all. On Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Your girl Chic loves y'all so much. And I hope y'all have a wonderful week ahead, okay? Signing off. Later.